Hello everybody, it's Unit 9, Words with ED. And as usual, we have 3 different lists of words. We have our lemon, melon, and honeydew words. Our first list of words are every, never, good, water, over. I have to walk every day to stay healthy. Never say bad words to your friends. Be good in the playground. I have to drink a lot of water to stay healthy. I put all my books neatly over the table. Our words in melon today are snowed, shouted, licked. It heavily snowed on the mountains. The players shouted in the field. The cat licked my shoe. And finally, our words in honeydew group are jumped, cooked, lifted, dressed. I jumped really high when I was excited. My dad cooked for me a wonderful meal. When my mom lifted all the bags, I wanted to help her. I dressed up my doll for the party. Oh, thank you, Year 1 pupils. I am ready for the competition. The upcoming unit is Unit 10. Are you ready? Don't think so, Uni. And even if they do study, I am sure I'm still gonna win. So, see you in Unit 10. If you like our video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also follow us on Instagram and like our Facebook page. Thank you.